Gondor Cookie Molding Machine. Made of durable, long-lasting cotton material. The size can be customized. Convenient for recovery of slag. Large hopper, easy to feed ingredients. Speed can be adjusted. Low energy consumption and low noise. Biscuits are uniform in size and shape. Convenient recycling of slag through secondary cake dropping. Accurately arranged and neatly discharged materials. Stainless steel body. Efficient automated production. Customizable for different molds. Displayed machines for customer experience.